Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This channel is dedicated to providing actionable information to people about how they can be more financially secure and live the life of their dreams. So let's get to it. What is mortgage protection insurance? In Canada, mortgage protection insurance protects you and your family by either paying off your mortgage or covering the mortgage payments for a certain amount of time if you pass away, get ill, or become injured. A good insurance broker's job is to make sure that you don't pay too much for your mortgage protection. And you can actually save up to 30% on your mortgage protection if you do it through an independent insurance broker rather than getting creditor protection from the bank. Its job is to provide a tremendous amount of financial relief at a time when your family or partner may be left with no means with which to meet the obligations of a mortgage on their own. The idea is that if you pass away, become disabled, or critically ill, you may not be able to earn the same amount of money as when you were healthy. Making up the shortfall of income is what mortgage protection insurance is all about. Its job is to provide that cash when you no longer can, so that your family or partner will be able to keep their home and not have to worry about the bank foreclosing on them. In this way, mortgage protection insurance provides a critical function which allows families to stay in their homes and get financial relief at a time when they need it the most. Three real risks to our health that are so grave as to cause us to lose our ability to earn money. Therefore, there's three different types of mortgage protection insurance. The first type is what's called mortgage life insurance. Just as the name states, upon death, this is a type of life insurance coverage that will pay a lump sum benefit that can be used to pay off the mortgage in its entirety, letting your family have the security of a roof over their head without worrying about mortgage payments at a time when they are grieving. The second type of mortgage protection insurance is what's called mortgage disability insurance. Now, this is a type of disability income protection that will pay off the monthly mortgage amount in the event that the insured becomes disabled and is unable to go to work. If you get injured and are unable to work, having mortgage disability insurance will allow you to focus on what's most important, regaining your health. You will know that the mortgage payments will be made on your behalf while you are regaining your strength. And the final type of mortgage protection insurance is what's called mortgage critical illness insurance. Now, in Canada, critical illness protection will pay out a lump sum tax-free benefit that can be used to pay off all or part of your mortgage. The good news is that because of advancements in medical science, many of us are surviving a critical illness. The bad news is that when we're recovering from this illness, we may not be able to work. Not being able to work will result in having difficulty making mortgage payments. The money that a critical illness insurance policy can provide can be used in any way that the beneficiary pleases and can make the difference between a successful recovery or a stressful one. Canada is one of the only countries in the world that has a return of premium option on the critical illness policies. Find out more by getting in touch with an independent insurance advisor. When mortgage insurance is put in place properly, with the help of a licensed insurance professional, the individual is the one that owns the policy. They can customize the coverage. Having options available to you in terms of how long the coverage lasts and what you will do with the benefit is in your best interest. But when mortgage insurance protection is purchased at the bank, it's not designed to protect you. It's designed to protect the bank, and it's called creditor protection. Creditor protection should be avoided whenever possible when one is insuring their mortgage. Make sure your insurance agent has years of experience to help you get the coverage with the best terms and conditions available in the marketplace. The right mortgage insurance protection for you is going to depend on your unique situation. Therefore, it's best to consult a licensed insurance professional who can design a plan that suits your needs while getting you the best coverage possible and saving you money. Make sure that you're using a licensed broker that can help identify your requirements by performing an insurance needs analysis. This is going to help them to know how much insurance is needed so that they can provide you with a free, no obligation insurance quote. Once that's done, your independent insurance broker will be able to do a health and lifestyle evaluation with you to identify any obstacles that may exist in your lifestyle or medical history that could make it difficult to get insurance. There are many insurance companies in Canada, and knowing which insurance company to match up to your unique situation can save you thousands of dollars in premiums. Even if you have previous medical conditions or lifestyle risks, there are access to no medical exam insurance policies that will ensure you and your family have the protection when you need it most. Take your financial security into your own hands. The best investment is the one that gives you peace of mind. Even though providing for your family in Canada can be difficult, protecting your family is easier than you might think. Thanks for joining in, guys. If you got any value out of this video, please give us a like and subscribe so that when we make more useful content like this, you'll be notified immediately. Thanks again.